Okay, so this video is a little bit different because this is not just a simple review video like I did in the past, I should say. I'm still gonna do that, but this is a different type of video. Today I'm not gonna review anything. I'm gonna show you how to download your Apple Music or Spotify playlists and load the music onto your legacy iOS device. And in this video, I'm gonna be using my iPhone 6 on iOS 8.0. As you can see, this is an iPhone 6 running iOS 8.0. I didn't do a review video on this because I just unboxed it and sideloaded some apps and just used it in the past couple of months, I should say. And if I go into settings, go to general, about, as you can see, this is an iOS 8.0 iPhone 6 with 16 gigabytes of storage. And in this video, as said, I'm going to be sideloading music onto this device as I want to see if I can main this device. Probably not, but I will try to main it, but that's for another video, or just not for a video. Okay, so all you'll need is basically an Apple Music account or Spotify account. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to download this app called SongShift. This is it. This should be the app. So just go ahead and download this app. You do not need the pro features. You just need the normal SongShift app. That should be enough. Tap on your, should I say, music service. Connect your Apple Music library to your SongShift account basically, or this app. So just tap on continue. Tap on allow. This is pretty simple. And there we go. It's basically finished. And also connect your Spotify account and log in like that. We'll give this a moment to, yeah, exactly. So agree. And there we go. As you can see, I'm in. So I'll tap continue. Get started. And now hit the plus icon and select your albums or playlists or songs that you have. I'm gonna do this on playlists. So I'll tap on playlist. And here are my playlists. As you can see, I'll select one of this and confirm. And there we go, Spotify. This is the actual destination that we want to choose. So tap on Spotify and you're ready to transfer, review, and continue to start. So this should be it. You can change your settings here if you need to last minute. I don't think you need to, so this should be all right. Now tap on start shifts. And okay, so as you can see, the playlists have done transferring to the your Spotify account. So tap on continue and you can confirm the matches if you need to. Just confirm matches. And yeah, that should be it basically. So you can go back to Spotify, and as you can see, here is indeed my playlist that I've just imported. So you'll see this playlist, and what you're gonna do is just confirm that it's on here. So just confirm all the songs that are here. I'm not gonna look at it because at a glance it's all there. This is just for a simple test. So this is the first way to port Apple Music songs to Spotify and then download the songs. I'll show you how to do that in a minute, but you can also do that manually. So as you can see, I have a legacy music playlist. This was before I didn't know about the Apple Music portation thing. So this is the playlist that I've made manually. I don't recommend this if you're an Apple Music user especially. So yeah, just use the SongShift method. It's pretty easy. And yeah, so what you're gonna do is just put away your phone. You won't need this, and grab your laptop. Okay, so basically on the Mac, open the desktop version of Telegram, and in this menu or on Telegram, in search, type in these load. There we go. And what you're gonna do is to type /start. I'll show it to you here. I already did it because I had to do it twice. It's difficult to explain why, but as you can see, I typed /start here, and what you're gonna do after is just paste in the playlist link that you copied. So just paste that in, and then you should have a selection or a pop-up message saying playlist blah blah blah, and there are two options: download zip and get all. So what you're gonna do is to tap on get all. Download zip only works for those who donate, but you should tap on get all, and then you can download those basically for free. You can feel free to download to donate to the bot or just the bot creator, but yeah. So you will see that this has finished already, so this will say finished, and just right click on the window and tap select, and you can bulk select it like this, the music files like this. Now you right click again and you tap download selected. So you click on download selected, and now as you can see it should all start downloading the music. I'll close this out and I'll be back once this has finished downloading. Okay, so as you can see, all the songs have downloaded here. So what I'll do, this shouldn't make any new changes basically. What I'll do is to create a new folder called music so that my download is neatly organized. And the next step is to connect your iPhone to the Mac. So I'll grab my iPhone charger. I'll be right here. So here, when you connected your iPhone to the Mac, as you can see, I did. I'll not show the cable, but as you can see, it's connected and it's hooked up to the Mac. As you can see, Mark's iPhone 6 on iOS 8.0. So what you're gonna do is to go to music, and you're just gonna select sync music onto Mark's iPhone 6 iOS 8.0. And what you're gonna do is to just go to music, and here in music you'll do selected artists, albums, genres and playlists. And now you'll go back here and basically drag your folder or songs into this window here. You can see like I'm doing so here. Drag and drop this. Now as you can see, it's syncing to the phone. It's copying all the songs as of now, and we'll just quickly wait for this to finish basically. And now it should be finished. So what you're gonna do is to, well, this is optional, but this is recommended, to restart your iPhone. I'm not gonna do this because I just want to get over with this quickly, but it is recommended to restart your iPhone. Okay, so I have switched to the desk perspective. Now just open up music, and you'll see purchased no songs. That's because we didn't purchase any songs. And what you're gonna do is to go to songs. As you can see, all the songs that you have downloaded are here. Sadly, you can't organize them into folders, and the artwork is kind of broken, should I say. Yeah, it's basically not showing up. And so just select one of the songs. I'll select one of the songs. It basically does not matter which one I'm selecting anyway. So I'll just select this one. Okay, so as you can see, here, the music has successfully copied over to the phone itself, and you can basically play any song that you've copied over. And yeah, that's basically pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and will use your legacy device to repurpose it and download some music, some apps on it. And yeah, I hope this tutorial helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.